Let's see how to properly SEO an image. First, go to the post from the WordPress dashboard and go to any post that you want to SEO. Then from the WordPress editor, you will SEO the feature image. For this, you will click on that image, then import it. The image must be in WebP format. Then SEO will be good and storage will be less. Then if it is in another format, then from here you can convert it to WebP format. After importing, import the WebP image. Here you have to put the image's image title, image description, image caption, and image alt text. Now you have to write everything on the keyword that you are posting on. I have written all of them, now I will put them here one by one. All my posts are now fully SEO'd on this image. We also provide website SEO services along with website creation. If you need it, please contact the number given in the description. Thank you.